Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Today is Thursday, the 27th of April, and we are doing a live training tonight. It's all free, doesn't cost you anything, there's no obligation. Join in. I'm going to train you how to trade the futures based on a couple of different strategies that we use in the Ninja Suite. And what you do is you go to the website, spymoneyllse.com. When you go there, you click on this button here. When you click on this, this is going to open up another screen. Put your information in there. No, we will not spam you or nothing like that. You have to sign in order to do it. Once you register, then you'll be registered for tonight, 7 p.m. That is 1900 Eastern Time. That's when we do it. So most sessions go hour, hour and a half. I try to keep them at an hour, so we won't go too much into it. I am going to record this, and I will probably post it on YouTube as well. So if you can't make that, then you can join us there. What I'm going to show you is how we do these strategies, how you make this money over here, and how we do this daily. And I'm going to show you some manual profits that are in our Discord. So we have our Discord room over here, and here's some profits. This guy kills it every single day. He deserved a lot of emojis on here, but he did that. This was mine for today, and this was yesterday. Then you have this guy. He trades micros, on using the sweet scalper, and he kills it daily. He does a very good job. And right here's another one, roughly over $3,000 per account. And right here, he did the day before, he's over $5,000 per account on most of them. Again, micros. So you have this in here, and people are just like killing it, doing very well. And what I want to do is show you how we do that ourselves. We do go into the chat room. I'll show you our chat room. Don't even know what this one is, but we discuss what is working and what's not working. We show charts. When people are doing different things, we look at this particular one. This is his strategy. He's using the boss and the trender strategy along with my levels, and it helps him get into where he needs to be. Right here, more profits. This is one of the bots that I run today, and we're testing it out on some different settings. So we're going to show you all of this stuff tonight. We're going to show you how that you can get into these profits. There's just profit after profit after profit in here. It's just days of profits. People's doing really well. There's new people. Some of the people that have been in here less than a week are already posting profits. Some people are going to not make money at the beginning. They have to learn the strategy. But once you get it, then it's pretty easy. One way that you can do this right here, just to show you on a live chart, is right here is an entry we would have taken. The most that you could have got is 185. And again, right here, we would have played to this zone, but the highest that you could have got was here. And again, right here. And again, right here. This is just 4 trades that we would have entered. 185 at the most. You would not have gotten the max. I know that. And I don't want you to think that, but because your stop would have been right on through here. So 185, 360, 530, 155. This one run right here, you would be done for the day. Come back over. Right here's another one. So just to show you the trades, our entries here, and the most that you could have got was here, 590. And then you would enter it again here, and the most is $100. If you can make $100 on every trade per contract, that's a good day. Again, right here, 480. And your entry would have been here and right there, 345. All you need is the strategy and the indicators to teach you how to do that. And we're going to show you tonight a lot more information that I've never really done with the public. But I'm going to teach you how that you can trade, what we look for, and how to get the greenbacks coming into your account. So if you're interested, please go to our website and register. So again, you go to Spy Money LLC, you click on this right here, and that will allow you to register. We start at 7 p.m. Eastern Time sharp. I do not delay on that. So if you're late, you're late. Um, it will be, you can ask some questions in there, and there's a little message board that you can ask. And once you ask those questions, I'll do my best to answer. We are also going to have some testimonials tonight of just people that are using the Ninja Suite to give their opinion of how good or bad it is for them and what they've done. And I do not filter that out. It'll be live, so they will be able to, whatever they say is what they're going to say. And but we've got a lot of happy people in there, and most people renew every month. A lot of people just do the indicators only and trade manually. Some people use the bots. For the most part, most people I think manually trade in there. So we do have two different um, leases that you can do. So if you go up here, click on the Ninja Suite, you scroll down. We have a bots and indicators only, and we have an indicator only. Um, I would say the majority of the people do bots and indicators, but I would say the majority of the people actually use the manual indicators only, but they still use the bots occasionally. So just to give you an idea on how things work, come up here to the Ninja Suite, you can see that. There's a lot of information there. But again, what you want to do is sign up tonight, or sign up today for tonight, and once you get signed in, then you will get a link to join. It's open to the public. Share this to anybody you want. Anybody can join. And I will see you guys tonight. Have a great day.